Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I received this solid cream gel set, and it's from the brand Buriburibeauty. I'll be leaving their official links on the description box below, so don't forget to check that out after watching this video. This is my very first time to try out this kind of gel polish. This set includes 6 different shades, and it also includes a brush. This set is called Bling Bling Girl Group, and we have the shades Ice Cameo Brown, Bright Glitter Silver, Ice Nude Pink, Bright Glitter Purple, Ice Blue, and Bright Glitter Blue. Now let's try it! I'm applying a thin layer first. Of course, I already applied a gel base coat on this fake nail before applying this cream gel. And if you're wondering why the palette looks used now, it's because I've already done another video for IG and TikTok, and I filmed that first before filming this version. Okay, so after each layer, I used my UV LED lamp to cure it. I cured each layer for 1 minute. Then let's add some holo glitters on the tips of it. After curing them, let's apply a gel top coat. After curing the last layer, we are done. And here's the set. I'm really loving that it's super easy to apply and it doesn't have a strong odor at all, unlike other gel nail polishes. What I love about this solid cream gel set is that you can actually empty it or use the whole thing, unlike gel polishes in bottles. It's really difficult to empty gel nail polish bottles or even regular nail polish bottles. With this kind of packaging, you can use everything. There will be no gel cream wasted. I would like to thank Buriburibeauty for sending this over. And if you want to know more about Buriburibeauty, don't forget to check out the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!